Hi everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screen. Today we're going to talk about the top stock contest picks from CEO.CA. I have not seen any of these before, except for Trillion Energy. So let's start with GRAT. Because I want to find a gem. This is 50 million market cap. Chart looks very bad. Probably some uranium stock. When I look at the name. Let's look at the presentation. And battery, so probably uranium. Oh, so it's graphite. Graphite prices are coming down, so that's already not good. In Brazil, EV market, feasibility study. So already in production in 2023. But this one is still in construction. Then in 2 years, this one also goes in production. Expansion. Okay. So they are going in production. What is the cash flow? So which one goes first? Ocam goes first. And then Brazil. Namibia, okay. When I hear Namibia, then I'm very allergic because those people tend to take away your assets. Brazil is better. Yeah, I know graphite. Graphite is not that great at the moment. It's not lithium 2.0. Debt-free, of course. Fully diluted 206 million. And how much is it here? Yeah, still some dilution on this, so probably 70 million market cap. I do not agree with that. Yeah, if you want a graphite producer, then here is one. But I see no financial numbers. Okay, they are still constructing. and another graphite project. Too much data here. No data on financials. I don't like that. So what am I looking at here? Do we have already profits? $24 million. Basically, they have nothing and no production. Okay, so how do I value this? Because I do not have any numbers. Technical report from 2016. I can't do anything with that. Still no data on production. Okay, 22,000 tons. 22,000 tons of graphite. Um, let's look at this. If this was next source materials, 17,000 tons. So let's say it's 22,000 tons. OPEX, let's say it's about 550. And let's say these are the graphite prices. 1,500. So we could estimate 22,000 tons times 1,500 minus 550, 5 multiple. So worth 100 million. Okay, 100 million. Gratomic is worth 100 million. It's currently at 50 million. So probably there's a double here, but that's it. And what was the other one? Capim Grosso. We have a 43101. Also graphite. Problem is I don't know a lot about graphite, and also no NPVs or anything. NPV, nothing. So what am I supposed to do with this? I can't do anything with this. There's no financial analysis. I don't like this company because it doesn't give us any numbers. I need to search really deep to find any numbers. So and based on these numbers, 22,000, it's only 100 million worth. I think there's upside if they can go in production, but it's not a huge upside. So let's do the next one. Salt. Atlas Salt, I have heard about this one. I do not know why people like it, because this one is not in production. But the chart looks pretty good. It goes up. $200 million market cap. So basically this is a salt company. A salt company with nothing, no production. Feasibility study should come out. So we're just waiting for a feasibility study. Do we at least have a PEA? No data. What am I supposed to do with this when I can see no data? Oh, here is data. So 2 million tons per year. Then this one is 8 million tons per year. So you would say 4 times. So it would be 500 million worth. This divided by 4 would be 500 million. So there's upside. The thing is, what is the capex for this project? See, I don't like this because there's not even a PEA in January. I'm not a gambler. I need to see data first. Without data, I can't do anything. Because what is the capex for this project? That could dilute the market cap. They probably don't have any money even to get this in production. Because we can just look at CDAR. See if they have money. Atlas Salt. $10 million cash. That's not enough. Absolutely not enough money to bring this online. So, yeah, dilution. And we also don't know the capex. I'm not going to try to find out how much it costs. Next one. Not interested. VPT. Venture Point Diagnostics. I have heard about this one. Some people like this. Chart looks pretty flat. Has no earnings at all. What's the balance sheet? $5 million. So market cap much higher than book value. That's already a problem. Revenue 15. Is this 15,000? Yeah, 15,000. Basically net loss. completely overvalued. So why do people like this? There must be something special about this company. KBR. So there's some special echo ultrasound device that they are building. Can't even find the presentation. Looks like another very difficult company to analyze. I do not like to buy companies without cash flow. Not even sure if people are going to use this. Let's see some news. News releases without numbers. Very difficult to analyze. No earnings, no numbers. I think this is a high risk company because it has no cash flow, no balance sheet, no numbers, no presentation. So I would go for the next one. Nili, search battery metals. I think I heard about this one. It's lithium, lithium explorer. Uh, okay. Do they have anything? Let's see if they have a resource. 1.1 million in the treasury. Apparently near Lithium Americas. Not sure if this is high grade or not. I think this is just a lithium driller. If they find something, it goes up. If they don't find something, it goes down. They had an intercept. No percentages, just an intercept with ppms. So I'm not a geologist. I don't know anything about drill results. So I cannot comment on this. But typically explorers are not a good place to be. They have no cash flow, so they need good holes to give you upside. So I would not touch this one. Next one, fifth. Pyrogenesis. I heard about this one, I looked at it, and I was not impressed. So this is another one that's not good. Still no earnings, no cash flow. Let's take a look at one of their financial statements. 24 million equity, so overvalued. Revenue, too much expenses, no earnings. Yeah, okay. Is there any presentation? I don't think so. Can't find it. They can't even give a good presentation. So why should I invest in this? All talk, but no numbers. And you can already see here, revenue has gone down by 40% from last year. That's a red flag. You can see that here. Revenues down. And no earnings. Not sure how they are going to grow the earnings, but basically this company is not making money. 20 million. It was 30 million, now back to 20 million loss making. Nope, I'm not going to buy this. Next one, 9. Nine Mile Metals. 40 million. Flat. Another driller. Site cannot be reached. I do not like to buy drillers. Those are pump and dumps. You do not know the capex. You will not have cash flow. 1 meter, that's nothing. Copper, not a lot. Zinc. That's pretty good percentage. 8%. Yep, that's good. This is not that good, but when you add it, it's pretty good. Also silver, not that great. And gold. So there's quite a lot of high grade stuff here, but it's only 1 meters. Very thin veins. But other than that, I wouldn't touch these explorers. So not interested. Next one, FUU. Sounds like a uranium miner. Fission 3.0. This looks like something that's good. Sprott, okay. Let's look at the presentation. If Sprott is in it, it should be good. Yeah, nuclear. Probably Canada. Okay, pretty good width. 6.9%. That's high grade. Very high grade. Looks very deep. 200 meters. And again, I'm not a geologist, so can't say a lot about this, but it is high grade. The problem I have, 450 million. So it's about 200 million. 200 million market cap. Next gen 2 billion. So 10 times. Yeah, there probably is upside because of the high grades. Probably a low cost project, but it is very speculative. They have no resource yet, so it's just a driller. I cannot buy this. I'm not a geologist. I can't value it because there is no resource. So yeah, it might go up. Still cheap compared to next gen, but I am not able to give a value to this. Nur, Nuran Wireless. 16 million. Why would I buy this? This is going down. Is this the right company? Okay. Does this company have any earnings? 6 million, 6 million equity, 16 million, 2.5 times equity. And earnings, good gross profit margin, too many administrative expenses, no earnings. Okay, so this is a bad business. Can they increase revenue? Where is the presentation? A presentation should give me in 1 second why I should buy it. If it can't do that, then it's not a buy. Why should I give my So this is a network in Africa. $21 4 million CAD revenue. Per year. Okay, they're almost there. 7 million. $500 million revenue. For 2,000 sites. So that's 50 million per year. But they're not there yet. They're only at 7 million per year, and they should be at 50 million per year. That's 5x, 6x. Okay, this is a good model, but when are they going to go to 50 million per year? Oh, and here another 5 million, another 50 million, 4 million. So the DRC is the biggest one. Another 5 million. These things are all building, so it's not done yet. This one is completed. Contracts are signed. Forty-four sites are live. Going to 2,000 sites. So 44 times 2,000 is 20,000 times 4. So 100,000. Is this per month or per year? $11 million private placement. And where is the 11 million? I don't see the 11 million here. Where did the 11 million go to? Yeah, not sure what I should do with this one. It is growing. We had 500,000 and now it's 3 times bigger. Administrative expense is about the same. So the net loss is actually lower. So if they can grow the revenue and double it, then this company could be profitable at some point. Double or triple the revenue. Could be 1 million, 2 million earnings. Yeah, okay. But the share price is telling me that something is wrong. $90 million in revenue. Potential. It's always potential. So 9 million per year potential. For a 10-year agreement. 1,500 per site per month. $500 sites. So per year it's 15,000. 15,000 per year per site with 500 sites. 15,000. So 15 million divided by 2 is 7 million revenue per year. Times 10 is 90 million. So with this contract, they could add 7 million in revenue. So per quarter, that would be 2 million. So yeah, there is potential if they can get this going, because this is potential. Not sure if they can get those people online. They have 4,600 sites. I think this one is interesting. Interesting to look at, see how they progress. Yeah, this one I would put on the watch list. If they can actually grow like they say, then this can go double, triple, quadruple, and then we will have net earnings coming in. So this is actually interesting. But building these things is not easy. There is capex involved, which is the same as revenue. So you need to add some money into it first before you get the money out. Yeah, we will see. I would not buy it yet, but put it on the watch list. Then emo. I have heard about this one. I'm not going to buy this because this is just a driller developer. Yep, I'm not a geologist, no cash flow. Also in Spain, where the costs are very high. It is a high-grade project, yes, but the costs are very high in Spain to get this in production. Yeah, too speculative for me. SX. $45 million. Flattening out. Looks like an explorer with some lithium. By the time that they have this technology in place, then probably the battery boom is already over. So not sure I want to invest in this. Lots of dilution will come from this. No cash flow. So next one. HPQ. Also looks like bad company going down. No earnings. All I get are bad companies. Lowest cost producer, I like that. But give me a business case. Lots of data, no actual good numbers. They're doing a pilot plant, but not sure how to calculate this. So $10,000 per metric ton, and the cost is 1,000. That's a good margin, yes. So this company will probably make money, but how much? What capex? There is nothing that I can find here. So yeah, what am I supposed to do with this? Let's see if they have earnings. $19 million. So far above book value. No earnings. I can't buy this. I don't buy companies without cash flow. Next one. Nickel. Another driller. 170 million. So this is a expensive driller. Why is this going up 2 times? Not sure. They must have a very good property. $30 meters, 4% nickel. That's a very high grade. Super high grade. But very deep. Yeah, what is the nickel price? Nickel is $13 per pound. So if you compare that to copper, that's 3 times. So 3 times, and it's already 4 nickel equivalent. So that's very high grade. Problem is that it's very deep and not super wide veins, but it's okay. Yeah, so probably one of the best nickel properties. But would I buy it? Yeah, it's difficult because no cash flow, not sure how to evaluate it. What's the capex? I cannot buy this. Nope. Next one, BRW. $70 million. Another driller. Exploration for lithium. Probably not even have any results, so it's just on hype that it goes up. They have nothing. How can it be already 170 million worth? I'm certainly not going to buy this. This is just hype. The next one, heat. Hillcrest Energy, 30 million. So far, none of these companies have earnings. Why do I get such bad companies in the stock picking contests? This also has no earnings. Something about the EV market, technology, but no numbers. Always no numbers. Hillcrest, 3 million equity. 10 times book value and no earnings. I already know I'm not going to buy this because it has no cash flow. Unless it has near-term construction. Something about a technology for EVs. Yeah, this is too early for me. Still proof of concept for a few years. I cannot buy this. These things probably go bankrupt. Next. Yeah, next is Trillion Energy, a very good company. The only one that has earnings. AVCR. $30 million. Now this company is growing in revenue and in gross profit. The net loss is sadly staying the same. But maybe there is some hope if this revenue keeps on rising. So that's the question. Can this company increase production? You can see that it is rising very fast. So I'm interested. But I can't access the website. Too bad. A very bad website. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is a SaaS solution with a cloud health tab. Okay. with Abbott, very good. And these are the devices, 250 per month. So 50% margin, profit margin. Because this is the cost of sales. So margin is pretty okay, but they need more revenue. This year 450, then 1000 and 2500. So a double for next year and fivefold the next year. $450 installs. So how many installs? 166. Not sure what this all it means. 166 or 416. I think 166 is the amount of systems. These are the pharmacies. So today we have 166. With 166, that means we could go 10x in a few years. So this could go to 5 million. And this could go to 2 million. So 1.5 million per quarter in earnings is 6 million per year in the long run. 6 million per year. That's a PE of 5. So this company is already priced at the growth level. It's already priced at its level. Times 10. Maybe it could go to times 20. Maybe. Then we could see a PE of 3 or PE of 2 in a few years. It's a good company if they can do this. But yeah, the company is already priced at that level. It's already priced at fair value. Okay, projections. Let's say we take this one, 29 million. 29 million. That's more than, what did I say? 5 million times 4 is 20 million, yes. So 20 million. And cost of sales, 10 million, 8 million net income. So it's a PE of 5. Yes. 5, PE of 3 to 5. Not bad. Not bad at all. Could go higher. Then we have 20 million net income. Or could go lower, 3 million. So the worst case is a PE of 10. Best case next year is a PE of 2. Actually, I like this. I like this company. So what's the fully diluted shares? 100 million. 30 million. Yep. 30 million market cap. Balance sheet could be 20 million equity. Yeah, I really like this. 7 million cash, 15 million equity, 2 times book value. Let's say 10 million. 10 million would give me P of 3. I actually like this company. I would even buy it. If you can get 10 million in net earnings at a very high gross margin, in 1 year time, could of course go higher or lower, but even if it goes lower, you still have a PE of 10 to a PE of 3 to a PE of 2. I'm going to buy some shares of this one. This is a very good company. So this one we keep on our watch lists. Vul. So not all crap. There are still good stock picks. This is probably just another driller. Something about Atlas Salt. I'm not even going to bother with this one. It's just a driller. Next one. CNC. Canada Nickel. I already looked at this one. Not interested. Explorers are very dangerous and they will never get into production. in a timely way. So next one, SIC. Sokoman Minerals, that's the gold mine in Newfoundland. Um, Forget about it. Maybe they find gold, maybe they don't find gold. And even if they find gold, it still goes down because it's an explorer. Revolu Group Canada. No earnings. Yeah, a tech company in the esports. Not sure I know anything about that. Let's look at CDAR. $1 million equity, completely overvalued. 70,000 gross profit, losses, no thanks. Probably there's something going to happen or like that, but no. Okay, so from all of these companies, the only one I really want is EveryCore Health. So this one, Neuron Wireless, not sure if they can build those things in Africa. Also, I don't want to invest in Africa. And this one is the only one that has a very good risk reward. And I'll see you in the next video.